Hello, it's Winnebago. I'm going to install this backup camera, or actually it's just a rear view camera. Use it like a rear view mirror. This one here came with the motorhome. It's a Video Man, but it doesn't work sometimes, and it's just black and white. It's really hard to see the images behind you. So I've got this one. I got it on Amazon, and it had really good reviews. So it's a color 7-inch monitor, and it's got LED for night vision. So I'm going to install this. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put it. I think I'm going to put it in the same spot. Just take that one down. But let's open this up and see what we got. There's the monitor. They say this is just a protective case, but it sure is nice. That monitor fits in there, and you release it by pushing these two tabs. But I was thinking about maybe being able to kind of recess it into the dash, but I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But there's the monitor, and it's got here's the camera. Feels nice and heavy. Got lots of LEDs in there. And it's got 60 foot of cable. I didn't want a wireless system. I've read too many bad things about losing signal, and especially going through big cities, and that's when you would need the camera the most, because I use it just like a review mirror to, when you pass somebody, to see when it's clear to get back over. And so I went with the wired system. I've got one on my truck and my fifth wheel, and I just love that thing. Even I mainly got it when I'm pulling the jet ski so I can keep an eye on it, but it also works great for, you know, passing somebody and knowing when to get over and when you're clear. So I'm going to put basically the same thing on this one. It comes with a sun visor for the monitor, and then here's the mount. It comes with the sticky pad to, I guess you could put it on the dash, but it's also got some screw holes here. I'll probably screw it up where that one is. And then the rest of this is just connectors. It's also got this here, you can plug it into a cigarette lighter and then hook it up to the camera. And then it's just got a push button on and off. Make it real easy to wire up. I don't know if I'll do it more permanently than that, but it's a nice option to have. Anyway, let me get started here and we'll see how it goes. Put it in the dash, in this mounting bracket. Take the radio out. I don't know if we ever would listen to the radio anyway, and if we need to, we got plenty of room on this dash to put it somewhere else. You know, thinking about hanging a CB up there, so I'm having to cut this opening out. It used to be that big, and the radio didn't fit anyway. It had a piece of tape above it trying to fill the hole in, so the previous owner didn't do a very good job. But I'm using this Dremel tool, and it's doing a pretty good job. Got it trimmed out. Put that napkin back in there to kind of catch some of the debris that was falling down. I don't really have anywhere to hook it to. It's got 4 holes in the back to run screws to, but I don't have anything back there. So I wanted it to fit tight in this opening. It fits pretty tight. And this cable down in there. See how this fits. It fits real good. I think that'll be nice. Might take it a little bit more off over here. I can see it's kind of got that bowed in just a little bit, but I don't want to take too much off because I like the way it fits. Maybe I ought to just leave it alone, but then to get it out, you push these tabs here, and then it comes right out. And so I could even, if I wanted to, I could even put it up here when I'm driving. If down here is too low, I don't think it will be, because in my pickup that I pull the 5th wheel with, I've got it actually lower than that, and it is a little bit too low in my pickup, but it works. So, but I think this will be okay, and I've also got the alternative to put it up here too. So I think it's going to work out real good. The finished install on the dash, as far as the monitor, now I've just got to run the cable to the backup camera and install the new camera. So here we go. I'm going to hook this camera up as if it was installed, just to make sure it works and see what kind of picture it has. I think all I've got to do now is hook up the 12 volt and ground. And I got a place for another camera here, but this motorhome makes it real easy to work under the dash because it tilts up like that, and you got access to instruments and all your wiring, some fuses. So let me find power and ground and get this camera fired up. So I've got power and ground going to it. There's the image the camera's picking up. Looks pretty good. I could probably adjust the contrast and the color a little bit, but looks a lot better than that old black and white. So I know it works, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a permanent install. I've got the rear view camera cable run all the way to the back of the RV, and I've taken this loose and this corner piece off. I'm going to try to run it up there and over to where the camera is, but I'm having trouble getting it through that top piece, so I've gone home and got some coat hangers. I'm going to try to fish it through there. But I always wondered how these Winnebagos were made, because it's not a one-piece rear cap, and it's got a like aluminum corner piece, but it's real nice. It's almost like this stuff. I don't know if it's like Eternabond or what, but it's molded into the fiberglass, and it covers that corner up real good. So I think it's probably pretty good design. But anyway, I'm still fighting to get this cable run up through there, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, I've got it run underneath that lip, then down the corner. I'll just bundle the excess up, put it in behind this light before I put it back on. Right now I'm going to try to seal everything back up. I took that light out trying to snake that thing through there, but I'm starting to go back together with it. Got it done. Got it all back together. Camera mounted. I still got to clean this thing up. I haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. But let's go in and see how it looks. It's kind of dark in here. Ooh, that's a pretty good job. I'm tired. Okay. Oh, let me find the keys. Okay, here we go. I don't know how that looks on camera. I need to put the sun shield up a little bit. I can see the top of it. I think it looks pretty good. All right. Well, please subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.